go, faster. Faster, my love. Mommy will help you. Morning.
Go.
Put your luggage up there.
No, there pa. Go there pa. Go there. You look for number 26. Wait, Nathan, wait for your turn. Wait for your turn. You look for number 26. Okay? No, not there. Straight ahead pa. Be careful. No, not yet. However, at the back, sobra pala back. Oo. But it's okay. Importante kasi, go there, Nathan, move. 26. Here, we're here now. Oh, wait. Wait, mommy first. Mommy first.
Check this out with the flying airs.
Then you're here in the middle. You give it to daddy. Yan. Ay, what happened? What happened, Nathan? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Wait. You put down and you go up?
Yeah.
Oh, with the seat.
You hurt? Are you hurt? Are you hurt?
Yeah. Oh, with the
I'm so sorry, my love. You fasten your seatbelt. Can you fasten your seatbelt? No. Only you. Fasten your seatbelt.
Where's your jacket?
Can you sit down?
Nathan, you need to wear your jacket.
We shall be dimming the cabin lights in preparation for takeoff. Guests reading, you may switch on your individual reading lights. Thank you.
We take off?
Yeah. Yeah. Sit properly, my love. The space.
We flying so high. Whoa.
You're happy?
Whoa, we going to space.
So we're going to space. No, we're not. Sorry.
We flying. I can see better.
Okay. Mommy will help you. Mommy will help you, Nathan. Say bye-bye, my love.
Bye-bye.
Come on. Mommy will carry your luggage. Wait. Wait. You hold. Careful. Here's your luggage. Nathan and Daddy. Daddy, akin na yung isa. carrying his bag. Small bag. Ang laman ay puro gamit niya. Toiletries, gatas, nappy. Yan ang laman. Baby wipes. Tsaka may toys. Dala siyang toys. Gusto niya yung meron siyang luggage din. Kasi tag-isa-isa kami, oh. Si Daddy. Si Nathan. Ang cute. Wait. Ihi ka? O sige, dito muna. Nathan, slowly. Oh, be careful. Wait, Nathan, wait. Naina is there, in the waiting area. Where's the waiting area? You hold your luggage.
Who's that?
No, Nathan.
Puputol na pagkakas.